As a web developer, you must be familiar with the term web hosting. In this video, we will dive deeper into this subject and understand the crucial aspects of web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allows individuals or organizations to make their website accessible via the World Wide Web. When you purchase a hosting plan, you are essentially renting space on a server to host and serve your website content. There are different types of web hosting available in the market, such as shared hosting, virtual private servers, VPS, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. We will provide a detailed breakdown of these types of web hosting services so you can choose which one suits your website needs. Shared hosting is the most popular and economical type of web hosting used by small businesses and individuals. It is often the cheapest hosting option and allows multiple websites to share the same server resources. Virtual private servers, VPS, is a type of hosting where you can have your own isolated virtual environment on a shared server with dedicated resources. VPS hosting is more scalable and secure than shared hosting. Dedicated hosting is a type of hosting where you have complete control and exclusive use of a physical server. It is often used by large businesses and high-traffic websites. Cloud hosting is a type of hosting where multiple servers work together to host websites, and resources can be added or removed on demand. Cloud hosting is more scalable, reliable, and secure than traditional hosting. Factors to consider before choosing a web host. There are many factors that you should consider before choosing a web host, such as uptime, performance, security, customer support, and cost. We will discuss all of these factors in detail and help you make an informed decision. Web hosting costs. Web hosting costs can vary depending on the type of hosting you choose, the resources you require, and the web hosting provider. We will explain the pricing of different types of hosting and give you tips on how to save money on web hosting. We hope this video helped you understand web hosting and its different types, factors, and cost. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer them.